Man.
We in low-lying area or something.
Walk the sidewalk. Walk down the sidewalk. Look at that sidewalk. There's actually a sidewalk inside there.
It actually is.
In front of the bench there is a sidewalk of wall.
How deep is that? Can we walk on the sidewalk?
Yeah, do it.
Oh shit!
What are you doing?
Okay, I didn't know it was that deep.
You're stupid or what?
Yes, I'm stupid. I just got my feet wet. Stupid is, stupid does. Wow. Well, I thought it was a sidewalk. You could walk down it.
The water's actually up to the bridge.
We got a lot of heavy flooding here. Look at that sidewalk. Walk out and sit on that bench. Alex,
Do it again.
let me carry you over there. Thanks.
See?
How'd you get over there? Okay, walk around.
I got my Crocs on, so I can just walk through anything with these mugs. Shit. I don't give a damn about
You
it.
threw something over there.
I didn't.
Yes, you did, you liar. Your mother's name? Really? What's over there then? Oh, look, a turtle.
Oh, yeah.
There's a turtle right there.
Okay, yeah, he barely hang. Yeah, good thing
Well, it won't jump like it was something that jumped there.
Well, that's a turtle right there.
Yeah, they can go both ways. They can go under they can do the water and they can do on the land.
This bridge got so much water.
Man, you know you don't never see this right here on this bridge.
Man, that's a big turtle right there.
Yeah. At first you just seen the head, you thought it was a baby.
That's a big old turtle. Grab him, Alex. Pull him out of there.
Yeah, and my finger off.
We could have some turtle soup tonight. Come on over here, buddy. I want some turtle soup.
That's what
Come
I
to the
had
camera.
when I was in New Orleans.
Come to the camera. Get you some turtle soup.
Look like he posing too.
Uh-huh. Look at him. He's all up in
Flying
here.
right in there. Look like he about to brace down. Oh, he going up.
Oh, he went under.
Yeah. I say at least 3 to 4 inches.
This is Jack New reporting live here in Fort Walton Beach, where apparently the hurricane has really put a damper on this park called Ferry Park. As you can see, the water level is very, very high. I'll just give you a little look-see here. As you can see how high it is up to the bridge, is right on the bridge area, ladies and gentlemen. Very dangerous situation we got here going on.
Get me here, Jack. Get me on this. You see the duck?
Okay.
I'm finna go see, and I'll pet the duck.
Okay. No, you ain't gonna catch the ducks, man. You better run. Stop it, Alex. It's okay, we're just right here. This is Ferry Park. It's okay. Man, you ain't gonna catch them ducks. Give it up. You ain't no Roy Jones. You ain't no Roy Jones. Stop it, Alex. Yeah, bring them my way. They're getting confused now. They're getting confused.
Uh-oh, they flying now.
Man. We got more than just, you think you could run? Catch us?
There is caracals. See?
What's up?
And I don't know how to say that.
Alex, stop picking up things. That's dirty.
Those are animals.
Picking up dirty stuff.
How do you
Okay.
catch